And California's firefighting resources taking a hit tonight. In new budget cuts approved today, Governor Schwarzenegger cut funding for new fire engines and planes. Governor cut $27 million from CAL FIRE's budget. He says he had no choice after lawmakers refused to pass a surcharge on property owners to pay for emergency firefighting equipment. Schwarzenegger had to cut spending to make up for a $1.1 billion gap that was left in the budget deal approved by the state legislature. The governor made some painful other cuts today, most notably to health care coverage for children of low-income families. Alex Michelson joins us live with how kids here in San Diego are being affected. Alex.
Well, Jim, as you mentioned, the legislature couldn't quite make the budget cuts on their own, so the governor had to do it for them. What resulted was a series of cuts that could make this emergency room here and so many others like it a lot more crowded. Signing the budget was far from triumphant for the governor, who made more than $150 million in fresh budget cuts.
Not bad, but ugly. Those are ugly cuts.
Among the ugliest, a $50 million cut to the Healthy Families Program, which provides medical insurance for low-income families.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
When Vanessa Arredondo recently changed jobs, she lost her kids' health insurance. She turned to Healthy Families for help with her daughter's asthma.
They told me that I was on a wait list until June 2010.
She's far from alone. Preparing for the cuts, Healthy Families stopped enrolling kids 2 weeks ago. In just that much time, 22,000 kids have been put on the wait list. Now thousands more are expected to be taken out of the program. A recent hospital stay for Vanessa's daughter cost her insurance $11,000.
Where am I going to get money to pay if I have to take her to the hospital?
She may be forced into the emergency room, which could be crowded with other budget cut victims. The governor also slashed $60 million from Medi-Cal, $52 million from AIDS prevention and treatment, and $80 million in child protective services. Vanessa thinks kids shouldn't have to pay for adult mistakes.
It's not their fault. The economy's bad as it is.
Alex Michelson, San Diego 6 News.
And now we would like to hear from you at home. What do you think about the governor's new cuts today? Send us a brief email with your thoughts. Go to sandiego6.com and click on the Balanced Views icon on the upper left-hand side of our webpage. We will read some of your comments near the end of tonight's newscast.